This advocacy and this movement is headed on to spreading goodness, positivity, compassion, and kindness online. Siyempre, madali naman tayo po, naturingan tayo mga Pilipino na nakakapagpakita tayo ng magagandang mga katangian natin sa tunay na mundo. Siyempre, gamitin rin natin to online because our reach online combined is very powerful. Lahat ng posts natin ay dapat nagbibigay inspirasyon. Hindi po nagbibigay ng hateful feedback, hindi nangaaway, at kung hindi nagbibigay po ng pagmamahal and love. Kindness goes a long way, and it starts with all of us here. With you, with me, and of course, sa ating pong nandito lahat, at syempre sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin online. So, may we request everyone, of course, yung iba sa inyo, nakalabas na yung mga cellphone. And of course, all together po, maybe we can encourage everyone here to post at this moment, to post something really nice, post something kind, and send it to whoever you want. Siguro sa iniidolo niyo pong artista, to your family, to your friends, and your loved one. Sama mo na, pati yung mga bashers mo, pwede rin yan. And of course, don't forget to use the hashtag #ClickKindness as a hashtag, at kung ready na po tayong lahat, syempre, sabay-sabay na natin yan i-post. Okay? Okay ba yun, guys? Alright. So, ready na ba ang lahat, everybody? Madali na. Post anything that comes to your head. Something nice, something inspirational, something na pagmumula ng good vibes ng kung sino man ang pagpapadalahan nyo. Kindly press post in 3, 2, 1. There you go, and that's Click Kindness.